Okay, so if y'all saw my last video about the Alro Ultra, the new 4K cameras that came out, you'll see some of my frustrations about it, and I'm still having some of the same frustrations about some of the cameras are glitchy, fuzzy, and whatever. But I've been working on this other problem I've been having for a couple days now, which is connecting my doorbell to the new base station. Now, it tells you to hit, there's a button in the center that you're supposed to hit right in there to resync your doorbells if they, if you need to. But ever since I got this base station, which I've had for almost a week now, I have not been able to sync any of my doorbells. Now, I have two. I have two doorbells. And I'm having no luck with any. Not one. So I don't know if the doorbells aren't compatible. I don't know if they know that. If y'all have any, if y'all ran into this problem, let me know. If you ran into the problem and fixed it, please leave a comment. But here is the new base station, and under it, it does have right there a space where you can put your your SD card into for the extra space. And then here I have my Orbi mesh system. So my network is fine. I just want everything to work. Shit's kind of pissing me off. So you get 4 cameras for $1,000. They're supposed to be, they're 4K video, which I'm still having trouble trying to figure out the 4K part, because when you zoom in, it gets distorted still. I can't read license plates, and when you zoom in on somebody's face just a little bit, it is a little clearer. But like I said, you get the color night vision, which works pretty well. The spotlight is pretty well. If you're on a porch or something like that, it does kind of light it up. The 180-degree angle, that is as well. That's pretty nice. The audio, I heard, was okay. I haven't had a chance to do that yet. Of course, weather resistant and all that. They still have some kinks to work out, for sure. And also looking at other people's YouTube about it, they definitely need to work on some stuff. Arlo, add more accessories to the box, or send some more out to the stores, some more charging cords. You give us one cord. Now, unlike the Arlo Pro 2s, which you get, or any of the other Arlos, you do get a 7-day free trial, not trial, but 7-day free cloud storage, which, you can get. But I've always had the plan. I did start out with the free one. But when you do these ones, you get a 1-year plan included, but you're going to have to pay for it. But yeah, other than that, y'all, if you can help me out with this problem, if you have this problem, let me know so I know it's just not me. I'm pretty tech savvy. But for whatever reason, this is not working out. But let me know. Peace.